Presenting the 2018 Kia Niro Touring. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in dash. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.